Hey Twisters, LI Balloon Guy here, and today we're going to be making one of the most highly requested balloon animals you're ever going to get at any sort of party. And that is, of course, the sword.
I'll take swords for 400. It's actually not swords.
I'm super excited, like an electron, so go grab your balloons, stretch out those fingers, we're going to start twisting now. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab a 260 balloon of any color that you like, except gray. Don't ever grab gray. I'm joking, you grab whatever you like. And we're going to inflate the balloon just about all the way. We're going to leave just a little bit of a tail on the end. Go ahead and tie that off. If you're having problems tying off balloons, I'm going to do a video for that as well. I know it sounds silly, but a lot of people have problems tying off balloons. Now that we've got our inflated balloon, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a sword. You guys are going to be blown away by how ridiculously easy it is. There's only one twist in the entire sculpture. So take your balloon, starting with the nozzle end, and we're going to fold the balloon down about a little more than a hand's length. Once you've got your fold down, go ahead and fold back up so you've got like a nice S formation. Hold it all in one hand with your finger and your thumb surrounding the middle. Give a nice squeeze to push all the air down to the end of the balloon, keeping your twist soft, and just twist it all together. And now you'll have your handle, the two flower petals that make the guard of the sword, and the blade. And you've got a sword. It's that easy. That's our video today, guys. A nice, quick, easy way to make a basic balloon sword. These swords are a lot of fun, guys, and you can make a lot of them really quick. In later videos, I'm going to show you how to make even cooler swords. I know, right? So go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Get updated on all the new videos that we're putting out every week. Also, if you guys have any questions at all, put them in the comments, and I'll answer to them as quick as I can. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next week.